Hello everyone. Today we'll study how to solve the problem by using the bodmas rule. Okay, I will explain you the full form of bodmas, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the long form of the word bodmas. Now I have taken first question here. 3 plus, okay, 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Now I will solve this step by step. 3 plus 12 multiplied by 5. Here I have done multiplication. Now by using the bodmas rule, first I will multiply here. 12 5s are 60. So our final answer is 63. Understand? Now second, what we will do? First bracket of 5 6 are 30. Minus minus, it will become plus. Division sign as it is. 3 5s are 15. Minus minus plus. Now we know that 15 2s are 30. Understand? Very easy using the bodmas rule. Thank you.